So we're tooling around in the 911 today. I've got the Michelin Sport 4S's bolted on. So it's one of our ultra high performance summer tires.
Is that the tire this car is equipped with from the factory?
I believe the 4S is one of the factory options, yes. And I know the cups are an option on it as well.
Cup 2s or something?
Yeah. But the 4S just, I mean, it just brings this car to life. Ridiculous levels of grip, great steering response. The car just does response to whatever you want to do with it. And we've been beating these tires for the last couple of hours. They're still going strong. It is one of the only tires in the market that are summer tire that actually has a mileage warranty.
Really?
So
I have 4S's on my car and I love it.
yeah,
They're a good tire.
well, we kind of the compound that's in this tire actually is a derivative of the compounds that are running in the WeatherTech series. So that's kind of where we learn and develop for the racing, and then bring it over to the street. Just a lot of fun.
Stop, Andrew. Is this a 25 model year?
I believe so, yeah. Yep. Porsche just delivered it to us, and